Alright, now for this one, we're using a table again, and we want to find something called a midpoint Riemann sum from x equals 3 to x equals 9 with 3 rectangles, and again, it's a midpoint Riemann sum. So we find the a and the b just like normal. A equals 3, b equals 9, and n equals 3. So that means we can find that our delta x is equal to b minus a over n, so that is equal to 2. Now what we have to do, now normally we try to figure out, what is SI. How do we determine what that is? For a midpoint Riemann sum, it's pretty simple. You don't have to worry about equations. What you do is you start at A, so you start at 3. You find your delta x. Here in this case it's 2, so that's our next A, or then sorry, our next place. So what you do is you start at A, then you add delta x, which is 2, so 3 and 5, and you find the point between 3 and 5, which is 4. So then you start here and you add another delta x, and then you find the point in the middle, which is 6, and then you go here. The midpoint is 8. So you see your rectangles are starting at 3 at A, and then at delta x plus a, or a plus delta x, and then a plus 2 delta x. And then you're finding the midpoint of the rectangle. So it's going to be 4, 6, and 8. So we know this is 2, this is 3, so we're going to be f of 4, f of 6, and f of 8 times 2. We'll get that out of the way. So this is equal to f of 4 is 3, f of 6 is negative 2, f of 8 is 3. Multiplying that by 2, it's going to give us 8. And that is our answer.